So I'm working on a 2020 K1500, and it has intermittent compression on cylinder 6. And when I checked it once, it was 0. Checked it again, it was 85. Checked it again, it was 185. Couldn't figure out what was going on. So if we look at cylinder 6, we had to pull the head and check the lifters. Right there is cylinder 6, by the way. If we check the lifters, 1, 2, 3, and 4, number 1, or actually 4, whatever, spun around backwards. You can actually see that it chewed up the plastic, and I think that the roller locked up, causing it to turn, and then it chewed up the cam and the lifter, and now the guide is also destroyed. There is the plastic that's gone. That needs to be replaced as well. Have a good one.